Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14. In this video I'll show you how to manage Control Center. In the beginning, in order to open Control Center, swipe down from right side of the top of the screen. As you can see from the Control Center, you can change brightness level, volume, enable focus function, lock, portrait orientation, and enter many functions. Now let's go to Settings and enter Control Center. From this menu, you can enable or disable functions like Access within apps, Show home controls, and also you can remove functions from Control Center, add them by tapping plus or minus. And also you can reorganize them by tapping and holding here, and now changing the position on the list. So let's select, for example, torch, timer, calculator, music recognition, wallet, and alarm. Now let's go back. Let's enter Control Center, and as you can see, the organization of Control Center has changed. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.